Caring too much about what others think, needy energy. Unable to say no, needy energy. Trying to make everybody happy, needy energy. Unable to set boundaries, needy energy. Fearing being abandoned, needy energy. Unable to express yourself authentically, needy energy. Welcome back to my channel. This is the place where you discover that being an empath is a gift, not a curse. If you're new here, I'm Karen Katz. It is an honor to meet you. I am a certified professional life coach, speaker for Fortune 500 companies, and manifestation teacher. But most importantly, I'm also an empath that has overcome the dynamics of people-pleasing, overgiving, codependence, and attracting narcissists. And if you want to do the same, then start by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so that you don't miss one single video that could start shifting things for you powerfully. Today, we're talking about needy energy. And there's 5 things you need to know about needy energy. Number 1, needy energy repels. Whatever it is that we are wanting, if we come at it with needy energy, we are pushing it away. Confident energy attracts. Needy energy repels. Number 2, needy energy repels, and it will affect every single area of your life. Love, money, jobs, opportunities, health. We are coming at things with desperation. And the more we are craving and longing for those things, the more we elevate their importance. It's kind of like placing them on a pedestal. You know, that person you place on a pedestal and you would do anything for, and they know it. Exactly the same. Just substitute the person for whatever topic you're struggling with. Number 3, it is created out of fear. And this links with number 4, which is so important for us as empaths to know. It is not your fault. Having this energy, embodying this energy, was not your choice. It was not your fault. It was created because you didn't get your needs met as a child. You needed to be seen, you needed to be loved, you needed to be cared for, you needed to be accepted. And as empaths, being highly sensitive, we experienced a lot of pain and rejection. I have a ton of videos on the channel that explain exactly what happened in more detail. So check out the playlist that I've linked below in the description. We experienced this rejection and it's painful to us. But if we were not supported through it and helped to tend to that wound as if it were a physical wound, we were left alone to tend to those wounds because they're not visible, the emotional wounds. But on top of that, we were shamed for being too sensitive. We were not accepted for being who we are. As a child, we need to be accepted, loved, for being exactly the way we are. If we are shamed for being the way we are at the core, it leaves us with a feeling of, I am broken. I am not okay. Something's wrong with me. It creates deep pain, deep shame. And we start covering ourselves up, putting on masks and facades to be accepted, to be loved. What is it that we need to do in order to be loved and accepted? And that's how this dynamic gets created. People pleasing, overgiving. We're trying to satisfy a basic need. So number 4, it is not your fault. It was never your fault. You did not get a basic need met as a child that you needed. Number 5, and the most important thing from this message, is that you can change this. It is in your hands to change this. Yes, we didn't get those needs met, but we can get those needs met now, internally. So we can start taking that focus off the outside and turning it inward, increasing our self-worth, creating that sense of self that was shattered, increasing our self-worth from the inside, taking out the focus from that external validation, not being any more external validation junkies, and starting to give ourselves what we need. It is a process to get there, and it is absolutely in your hands to do it. If you want to learn how, make sure you start by clicking the link in the description with the free training where I walk you through the steps to move from needy to confident and magnetic energy. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do share this information with anyone that you feel may benefit from it. I will talk to you soon. Namaste.